can you actually make big money making beats online? The answer is actually, like, honestly, no. Yes and no. Let me explain. So, for example, like in my journey, I made music full time for 4 years, and I went from making zero every month to I think at my peak I was making maybe $17,000, something like that, maybe less. I don't remember. But I mean, it sounds like a lot of money, but it's not. Like if you look at any other industry, like you look at e-commerce, I have friends of mine now that make, I don't know, $300,000 a month net profit, like all of that. It's very cool. But actually, going back to what I was saying before, I said yes and no because despite the fact that music makes you less money, music is actually one of the most stable businesses that I've ever seen. If you think about it, like I remember when I quit music, it was around 2023, something like that, 22. I basically ended up getting my biggest placement to date. Like this song called "You and I" by an artist called Diego, and he has over 110 million plays. And throughout all of that time, my DistroKid was still printing money for me. I was still selling beats online. So even when I stopped making music full time, I was still getting my whatever, like $4,000, $5,000 a month doing nothing. And to me, that was like extremely shocking. And it got me actually kind of back in a game where I found a way to treat music like a passion. So now I do other things. I do marketing full time, but I take the time to make a couple of beats every single month and I just upload them. And yeah, the income just keeps rolling in. And I think it's very beautiful. It's the one thing that is underestimated about music. It's like, sure, you will not get to $300,000 a month, but all the money that you make is net profit. Because many of those people that make 300K, 100K, 50K a month net profit for e-com, they have to make like millions of dollars in revenue. And when you're moving millions of dollars in revenue, it's basically not that easy because you have cash flow and you have inventory and you have to do a bunch of things. You have a small problem can really set you back. But for music, if you get to make $10,000 a month, you keep $10,000 a month, which is really, really cool. It's like a business that makes people very, very jealous. And also, again, like, it's very important the way that you build your music business because over the long term, I think you would be happier with like smaller placements. But I make another video about it.